Welcome back to Master of None. My name is Rodney. It is time for Red Death. I've been promising this. I've been putting it off. I've had all these other projects going on. But as you can see behind me, I have the burgundy undersuit, which is, there's a statuette of Red Death that shows there's like a burgundy undersuit instead of red. So I decided to go with that. And I think I also mentioned that I had started making templates weeks ago. Here's the template for my ab piece that I've cut out. Evidently not the master of juggling. And my chest piece. I guess I should. Chest piece. Abs. Thigh armor. Holding this right, the emblem for his chest, and right now I'm going to start. I've already covered it with plastic wrap. I'm going to make a template of the forearm, the bicep, shoulder, and then also there's this trap piece that he has, and it's like these edged fins or on each one of these items. So because I want to have a muscle suit under this suit, I have it already under the undersuit, and I want to make these parts to fit something bigger. So anyway, I just want to tell you what I was doing. I'm going to speed things up. Cover this with duct tape, draw out the pieces that I need, cut that off, transfer it here, so actually I have these for whenever I get around to having templates that you all can purchase. I already have them on tracing paper, but in the end, I will, put them on cardboard like this. Like this piece came from when I did the Batman Begins armor. But anyway, like I said, I need to transfer what I'm drawing, what I'm creating here, to cardboard. And once we get to the cardboard phase, I'll be able to cut foam. And hey, I'm figuring this out, as I do it, what's the best way to cut and form this foam to give the effect that I'm looking for. So you'll watch me do all of that. So anyway, let's get into it. Let's see how far we can get. we have the front shin guard and the calf armor. All right, so we have the templates for the traps, shoulder, tricep blades, and the forearms, or rather the gauntlets. This is the template for the thigh piece. Last but not least is the ab armor, the chest piece, and then the Batman / Flash emblem, because I think I'm going to need to make it in 2 pieces. Still feel like there's something missing, something that I didn't make. Found it! This piece will be the one that connects to the front of the abs and wraps around to the lower back. So that's everything. Whew, so templates are made. There will be things that I'll have to figure out on the fly. I made all the basic template pieces because, like, if you take a picture at what the costume really looks like, there's layers of armor. So I'll have to create armor out of different, probably thicknesses of foam. And like I said, I'll have to do that on the fly. I'll have to figure out, you know, how to make it lay so it appears as close as possible to the statuette that I'm using as my example for the costume. I don't know what time it is. I'm pretty sure it's around midnight. I'm getting tired. I'm going to clean up my mess because anytime I create, I tear up this whole place. I'm going to clean up my mess, grab a snack, climb into bed, maybe do a quick edit and put this video out. And then whatever time I get up tomorrow, I'm going to hit it again. I'll pull these templates, I'll get the foam, and I'll start cutting pieces. Maybe, I don't think we're going to get any rain. If I can spray these pieces early enough and then they dry, who knows, maybe I'll be able to put a few on the mannequin and you know, we could watch it come together. But anyway, thanks for watching Master of None. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. I really do have fun costuming, but you know, like with all things, there's always something else going on that kind of pulls you away. But let's see what we can do to get this, to move this along, and hopefully we can finish this costume by maybe by the end of the week, if not sooner. Bedtime. Talk to you later.